In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to change the profile picture of your playlists in Spotify. So let's get started. So first you want to hold Windows and then click S. Once you're in Start menu, you want to search up Spotify. And then you want to click Enter. So once you're in Spotify, you want to choose the playlist you want to change the profile picture of. In my case, I'm going to change the profile picture of my playlist 1. Click there. So once you're here, you can click choose photo on the current profile picture. Then click in choose photo. And here you can choose any photo from your library or your file explorer. But in my case, I'm okay with this photo. But you can just go and add that photo by clicking that photo, whichever you want to add, and then you want to click open. And then once you're over here, you can add an optional description. If you don't, you can just click save. And then your profile picture should change. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.